Hey guys, welcome back. I decided to put this video on to help some of you homeowners, some of you remodelers, some of you contractors who are in the process of building or remodeling your home right now. For a lot of you out there, becoming self-sufficient is very important these days, especially with the instability in our infrastructure and all of the other weirdness that's going on right now. We are retailers of wood, gas, and pellet stoves, fireplaces, and most importantly, wood cook ovens. We carry several brands of wood cook ovens that can help make you self-sufficient, but if the power goes out, and if you need a heat source, you can cook, you can heat, you can even get additional lighting off of the cook ovens because they have glass doors these days. And we just wanted to let you know that anything and everything that we sell, nothing is sold at retail. Since it is just Julie and I operating Off-Grid Stoves and More, we've been in business since 1989, well over 30 years. And we have always taken pride in making sure that we have given a 5-star service, and our reputation and our reviews pretty much shows that. Forgive the cheap seats. You know what I'm saying? These guys, whenever they see us, they're just kind of like, food. Anyhow, hopefully you can hear me. But if you happen, I'm going to keep this short. If you happen to be looking for anything in the hearth industry, if you're looking for sorry, Julie's just busting a gut over this one. But anyhow, if you happen to be looking for a wood stove, pellet stove, if you're looking for chimney pipe, if you're looking for hearth pads, we manufacture our own hearth pads. Any of the above, check us out at offgridstovesandmore.com. And our website is in the revamping mode because there's a lot of old information that we have left there since we moved from Oregon. And please be patient with us. If you happen to click on a link and it says that there's nothing to be found, we're getting all that updated. And I can tell you one thing: if you are looking for a wood, gas, pellet stove, a fireplace, chimney pipe, fireplace products, we are very competitively priced. You will know who you're dealing with, which will be myself or with Julie. And we guarantee that you're going to get the service that you deserve and you expect. So anyhow, check us out at offgridstovesandmore.com. You guys all stay safe out there during these wacky days and times. Peace.